New Google NotebookLM update is insane and free. Today I'm going to show you NotebookLM's brand new audio overview formats that literally turn any document into a professional podcast in seconds. We're talking 4 different formats that can debate your content, critique it, give you quick summaries, or do deep dives. This is rolling out to everyone this week for free. And this isn't just a small update. Before this update, you could only get one type of audio overview. It was good, but it was basic. Now you have 4 different ways to consume your content, and each one serves a different purpose. Let me break down exactly what these 4 formats do and when you should use each one. Format number 1, deep dive. This is for when you really need to understand something completely. They go through everything. They connect dots you didn't even know existed. They pull out insights that you would miss if you just skim the content. This format finds connections between different sections of your documents that you might completely miss when reading manually. It's like having a research team analyze your content and then explain it back to you in plain English. Format number 2, brief. This one's a game changer for busy people. We're talking 1 to 2 minute overviews. But here's the thing, these aren't just summaries, they're intelligently crafted to give you the most important points in the shortest time possible. You can upload a massive report and get the key insights in under 2 minutes, not a generic summary. The actual important stuff that you need to know to make decisions. Format number 3, critique. This is where it gets really interesting. The AI doesn't just tell you what's in your document, it actually reviews it. It points out strengths, weaknesses, gaps in logic, missing information, issues that could cost you deals or opportunities if you don't fix them first. Format number 4, debate. This one blew my mind. 2 AI hosts actually debate the content in your documents. They take different sides, they argue points, they challenge each other's thinking. It's like listening to a high-level academic discussion about your content. Now, if you want to take your business to the next level with AI automation like this, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. We currently have over 1,000 members who are using AI to transform their businesses. But here's what makes this even more powerful. You can use these formats on any type of content: PDF, Word documents, web articles, research papers, business reports, anything. And the quality is insane. These aren't robotic voices reading text. They sound like real people having real conversations about your content. Now let me show you exactly how to access these new formats because they're rolling out this week. You go to NotebookLM, upload your document like normal, but now when you generate an audio overview, you'll see 4 options instead of just 1. Deep dive, brief, critique, and debate. Pick the format that matches what you need. Want to really understand something? Choose deep dive. Need quick insights? Go with brief. Want feedback on your work? Pick critique. Need to understand different perspectives? Choose debate. And here's the crazy part, this is all free. Google isn't charging for this. You can process unlimited documents with any of these formats. Julie and Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know which format you're most excited to try. But wait, there's more. And this is where it gets really strategic for business owners. You can use these formats to analyze competitor content, industry reports, customer feedback, market research. Imagine uploading your competitor's entire content strategy and having AI debate the strengths and weaknesses, or getting a deep dive analysis of industry trends that would take weeks to research manually. The critique format works like having a professional editor review everything, but instead of waiting days for feedback, you get it in minutes. The brief format is perfect for staying on top of industry news. You can upload multiple articles and get the key points in just a few minutes instead of spending hours reading. And the debate format, that's gold for understanding complex business decisions. Upload documents about a strategic choice you're facing. I'll let the AI debate different approaches. You'll hear arguments you never considered. But here's what most people will miss. The real power isn't in using these formats individually, it's in combining them strategically. Start with brief to get the overview. Then use deep dive if you need more detail. Follow up with critique to understand potential issues. Finish with debate to see different perspectives. This gives you a complete 360-degree understanding of any topic in a fraction of the time it would take to research manually. And for business owners, this changes everything about staying informed. You can process industry reports, competitor analysis, market research, customer feedback, and strategic documents faster than ever before. Think about how much time you spend reading reports, articles, research, proposals. Now imagine cutting that time by 80% while actually understanding the content better. That's what these new formats make possible. Here's the thing that excites me most about this update. Google is clearly investing heavily in making AI accessible to everyone. These aren't experimental features. They're production-ready tools that work incredibly well, and they're available in all languages now. So no matter where you are in the world, you can use these formats to process content in your native language. The rollout is happening this week, so if you don't see these options yet, check back in a few days. Google is pushing this to 100% of users by the end of the week. Some people are worried that AI like this will replace human thinking. That's not what's happening here. These formats aren't replacing your judgment, they're amplifying your ability to process information. You still need to make decisions, you still need to apply critical thinking, but now you can do it with much better information. Don't just consume the audio, take notes on key insights. The AI might catch things you miss even while listening. Experiment with different formats for the same content. You'll be surprised how different perspectives reveal different insights. And most importantly, use these insights to take action. Information without action is useless, but information that leads to better decisions is invaluable. This update positions NotebookLM as a serious competitor to other AI research tools. And since it's free, there's no reason not to start using it immediately. But let's talk about what this means for the future. This NotebookLM update is just the beginning. Google is clearly building towards something much bigger. Think about it. They now have audio formats that can analyze, critique, debate, and summarize any content. What happens when they connect this to real-time information? What happens when they add video analysis? What happens when they integrate this with other Google services? We're seeing the foundation being built for AI that can process any type of information and give you personalized insights based on your specific needs and goals. And the fact that they're making this free tells you how confident they are in the technology. They're not charging because they know this creates massive value that will keep users in the Google ecosystem. For business owners, this is your opportunity to get ahead of the curve. Start using these formats now. Learn how they work, integrate them into your workflow. By the time everyone else catches on, you'll already be an expert. The businesses that adapt fastest to new AI tools are the ones that will dominate their industries, and tools like this new NotebookLM update are exactly how that happens. So, here's your action plan. Go to NotebookLM right now, upload a document you've been meaning to read, try each of the 4 formats, see which ones work best for your use cases, then start building these into your regular workflow. Use Brief for daily industry updates, use Deep Dive for important strategic documents, use Critique before publishing anything important, use Debate for complex decisions. Do this consistently, and you'll have an information advantage that your competitors can't match. Now, if you're serious about scaling your business with AI, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's where over 1,000 entrepreneurs are learning to use AI to get more customers and automate their operations. The link is in the description. And if you want a free SEO strategy session to see how we can help you get more leads and customers, there's a link for that in the comments and description too. Remember, we have detailed SOPs for using AI tools like NotebookLM inside the AI Money Lab. Over 100 use cases, daily tutorials, video notes from all our training sessions. With 19,000 members, you'll be joining a community that's at the forefront of AI business applications. This NotebookLM update is huge, but it's just one piece of the AI revolution that's transforming how we do business. The question isn't whether AI will change your industry, the question is whether you'll be leading that change or scrambling to catch up. Start with these new NotebookLM formats, master them, then keep building on that foundation, because the future belongs to the businesses that can process information faster, understand it better, and act on it more quickly than their competition. And with tools like this, that future is available to you right now. Julie and Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know how you plan to use these new NotebookLM formats in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.